Okay, so we know how to transform the basic functions by stretches and shifts and so forth. Okay? And y'all are doing reasonably well with that, with the exception of stretches. And we addressed that in MCR videos last time, so you might want to look at those MCR videos. Okay? We also talked about some more, about some test problems. We're not going to get into that here. Because it's all done. It's all there. Okay? One place or not. But composite functions is another way of building new functions from our basic set. Okay? So we want to look at composite functions today. We also want to look at inverse functions. Okay? So composite functions, let's just do an example of how we can combine two functions. Let's take 2 raised to the x squared. Okay? Now, okay, so y equals f of x equals 2x squared. So what's the value of y if x equals 3? Okay, well that's the first question. I'm going to give you a minute to work that out. You do the arithmetic, okay, up to a point. Your final answer is going to be a fairly large number, one that would take you several minutes to count to. But not an inconceivable one, and one you should easily enough be able to calculate. But you might not. It's kind of like lifting my hand to scratch my head. You see what you got to calculate. Say, I'm not going to do that. I just can't bring myself to raise my hand to the paper and do all those calculations. It's not that bad, but you're going to want to reach for a calculator. Okay? Okay. Inverse functions. Here's another example. Okay, what's this?
The inverse function of x cubed.
No, it is the function x cubed. In a minute, we're going to get the inverse function. Okay, this is the x cubed function. Okay? Over here, we're going to do a table for the inverse of x cubed. Okay? So you tell me what I'm doing here. Okay, what am I doing? So how did I get the table for the inverse?
You switch the x and y values.
Yeah, switch the x and y columns. I didn't switch the labels. I still called the first column x, the second column y. Okay? Now, could you do that for the rest of the basic functions? Sure you could. If you can do graphs of the basic functions, which most of you can do. Okay? And if you can't, get to the matters even before you get the letter from them, okay, or the email, okay? Get there, Toronto, you gotta know this. First thing we did, simply have to know how to do this. Okay, so, can you graph that then? You graph this, you graph that, right? It's gonna be one of your assignments, take the things and show me the graphs of the inverses, okay? Tables and graphs. Simple thing, right? Then we'll do something with those on Thursday. Okay? So here in class, do the, same thing for the x squared function. There's another two things I want you to spend a couple minutes doing. Now just kind of circulate around, see how you're doing, okay? So, go to it.